Am I even stepping out of my comfort zone, going out there and living this spirituality, this service? I'm meeting anybody on the road, I'm meeting my friends. Is my attitude service oriented? Who cooks the food? Who will do the dishes? We're fighting about it. Then we say we want to do service. Am I living these paths, getting out of my comfort zone, going out in the world with other human beings? Am I implementing any of this path? I see people in India all the time. They claim to be following the path of devotion. And they've created certain rituals. And every morning they're just running to complete the ritual of devotion so that their deity is not angry with them. They want to just get done with it and start the day. What are we doing in the name of spirituality? And what then is real spirituality? Am I even stepping out of my comfort zone, going out there and living this spirituality? Am I connecting with any other human being and living this spirituality? This service, I'm meeting anybody on the road, I'm meeting my friends. Is my attitude service oriented? I'm doing my job. Am I applying this principle of service, seva in that? I'm a householder. I come back home. We have to cook food, but we are fighting among each other. Who cooks the food? Who will do the dishes? We're fighting about it. Then we say we want to do service. But in real life, in my own home, I'm not doing any service. There I'm fighting with my partner. You understand what I'm talking about? We're really going to the absolute core today. This is the last satsang, please understand. I don't have time to talk about nice things anymore. Let's get to the core today. In the Indian tradition, we say there are 4 core paths for spiritual awakening. Karma Yoga, the path of service. Gyana Yoga, the path of knowledge. Dhyana Yoga, the path of meditation. Bhakti Yoga, the path of devotion. Am I living these paths, getting out of my comfort zone, going out in the world with other human beings? Am I implementing any of this path? You're sitting with somebody, one of your friend, going with your friend in a car. Are you practicing Dhyana Yoga, meditation at that time? What does that mean? What your friend wants to share with you, are you totally present to listen to what this other being wants to share with you? Is your dhyana, which is focus, attention, presence, there in even listening to the words of your partner, your friend? Most of the fight between people happen as friends or as partners or as colleagues because we are not practicing Dhyana Yoga there, which is being present to what my partner is trying to tell me. I'm not even listening to that properly. What my partner is going through, I'm not present to that fully because I'm always consumed by my own agenda. Then no matter what practices you do for how many years you do, you're not going to get anything out of that. And that's your experience today. And then you hop from one guru to another guru, one practice to another practice, one tradition to another tradition. But you're not understanding and fixing the basic ingredient. All of this you've got to practice, implement in everyday life. Spirituality is simple. It's not a complex formula. You don't live it here. You live it here. Every single moment of your life. Right now you're sitting. This is Dhyana Yoga happening. Are you fully present to every word that I'm sharing with you? If yes, you're practicing meditation right now. I'm sharing these words they are making some sense in your head. You're already practicing then Gyana Yoga, path of knowledge. I'm sharing certain components of knowledge with you at the deepest level. That's Gyana Yoga. Just after the satsang or before the satsang, you probably all were helping arrange this space, helping arrange food or whatever. That's practicing karma, yoga, path of service every day. Not fighting that you do this and I do this, and it was your job and it was my job. We start to enter into those fights. And then we go out and do some kind of service to the community out there. In our home, the service is not happening. You understand what I'm saying? You don't do this every moment, nothing will happen. Yes, of course, things will happen, but only here. You'll start to create your spiritual stories, even stories of awakening here. I meet people, sadhaks every day, who've created such beautiful stories of their own awakening. They come to a guru not to ask, but to convince that they are enlightened. I meet these people on a daily basis. I know what's happening here. I can see. Do not build spiritual stories here. Live spirituality. Every moment of your life. Don't feel bad, but in this country, I've seen what I've witnessed is people make amazing friends with their dogs and cats. All power to them. I love dogs and cats. But they don't talk to their neighbors with that sweetness. We've developed some problem with our own species. We're appreciating other species, which is beautiful. We should do that. What about your own species? You've started feeling that your species is trying to kill you or snatch something away from you. Look at this carefully. And the day you start to live this real spirituality, this authentic spirituality in your daily life, every moment of your life, a certain ease will enter into your system. You understand the word ease? Mm-hmm. Ease. I'm sitting in ease right now. I don't have to go anywhere or attain anything. This is the moment. Fully at ease in this moment. I don't want to become anything tomorrow. I don't want to attain any enlightenment tomorrow. I don't want to attain any bliss tomorrow. It's just here. That's what we call ease. Can you not approach life with ease? Every connection that you form with ease. I see even spirituality has become a subject of unease for us. It started creating burden and pressure and FOMO. You understand FOMO? My friend is going for that retreat, so I also have to go for that retreat. Kind of a thing. You understand what's going on? We're missing the ease of this moment. And that's what your mind is playing tricks with you. It has convinced you that your joy is out there when you achieve that. When you create a great company, that's where joy is. That's where your purpose is. That's where enlightenment is waiting for you. Your mind has convinced you about this. And you're making all kinds of things to reach there quickly. Am I right? And you know what is out there? What's out there waiting for you? Do you know that?
Next step, trouble.
Grave. Grave. That's out there waiting for you. We're all moving towards that. So don't put your love and ananda and joy in the grave. Live it right now. Bring that ease into your system. Why are we struggling? For what?